I wonder what surprises we have hiding in our garages today. We have a red garage, a white garage, and a blue garage. But it looks like our garages are all locked. What can we use to open them? That's right, we need a key. Here's a key to our red garage. Let's see what's inside. Cool! It's building blocks. I wonder what we can build with these blocks. Let's put them together and find out. What did we build? It's a construction truck with a backhoe. Here's our key to our white garage. I wonder what we can build with these blocks. Let's find out. What did we build? It's a cement truck. Here's our key to our last garage, our blue garage. I wonder what we can build with these blocks. Let's find out. What did we build? It's a dump truck. A construction truck with a backhoe. A cement truck. And a dump truck.
Funnest toys.
What do we have here? It's a workbench. This is awesome! And we have our tools here. What's this? It's a green wrench. This is a red hammer. And what's this? It's a yellow screwdriver. And we also have power tools. Here's a red power drill. And here's a blue buzzsaw. And we also have holes to put shapes in. Here's a yellow circle. This is a blue heart. Here's a red square. Here's our last shape, It's a purple triangle. What do we have here? It's building blocks. Cool! I wonder what we can build with these blocks. Let's put them together and find out. What did we build? It's a Blaze from Blaze and the Monster Truck, and he has really big wheels.
Funnest toys.
I wonder what surprises are hiding in our garages today. We have a green garage, a blue garage, a red garage, and a yellow garage. Let's see what's in our red garage. It's building blocks. This is awesome. I wonder what we can build with these blocks. Let's put them together and find out. What did we build? It's a blue police car. Let's see what's in our green garage. The dog takes the cat. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the dog takes the cat. What do you guys think we can build with these pieces? Let's find out. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the cat takes the mouse. The mouse takes the cheese. The mouse takes the cheese. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the mouse takes the cheese. The cheese stands alone. The cheese what did we build? It's a red tow truck. Now let's see what's in our blue garage. Very interesting. Let's see what we build with these pieces. What did we build? It's a yellow dump truck. Now let's see what's in our yellow garage. I wonder what we can make with these pieces. What did we build? It's a yellow school bus. Look at all the kids on their way to school. police car. Red tow truck. Yellow dump truck. And yellow school bus. Oh boy! Choo-choo! Chugga 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 choo-choo! Chugga chugga choo-choo!
Funnest toys!